How to delete recent stickers on Snapchat. So let's say you go ahead and send a random sticker to a conversation. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Oops, like this one. As you can see, you have two options. You could go ahead directly here if it was your favorites. You can hold down the sticker itself and then you can remove it from favorites. But if you want to get rid of the sticker in your chat, just go ahead and press on hold the sticker itself. You'll have these options, and then right below save in chat, just go ahead and press on delete. Then depending on what conversation type you have, there's going to be more random stuff. Just skip those until you see something like this, and then just press on delete chat. As you can see, the sticker that I've sent will be deleted. You can work with pretty much every sticker that you sent, but that's it. That's how you can delete recent stickers on Snapchat. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.